In a series of successful joint operations, Indian Army, Assam Rifles in collaboration with Manipur Police and other security forces recover 11 weapons and warlike stores from both hills and valley regions in the districts of Churachandpur, Chandel and Thoubal of Manipur. An intelligence-based operation launched in Churachandpur district on 22 October 2024 by Indian Army, in coordination with the Manipur Police and CRPF in Tharoilog area in Churachandpur district, resulted in recovery of stores to include 2 country-made mortar pompi, 1 country-made pistol, grenades, explosives, ammunition and warlike stores. On the same day, an intelligence-based operation by Assam Rifles and Manipur Police in the general area of Lamsang village near Bongbal village resulted in recovery of 1 .303 rifle, 1 single-barrel rifle, ammunition and warlike stores. In Chandel district, Assam Rifles carried out combing operations in areas between Sangkhom and Gunjil village in Chandel district and recovered 1 automatic weapon 9 mm, 2 locally made mortars, pompi, 1 single-barrel gun, ammunition and warlike stores. In a similar operation on 23 October 2024, Assam Rifles along with Manipur Police launched a joint search operation in the general area of Kwarok Maring village in Thoubal district and recovered a cage that included 1 9 mm country-made pistol, 1 single-barrel breech-loading SBBL gun, 2 grenades, ammunition and warlike stores. The recovered items have been handed over to Manipur Police. The successful recovery of these warlike stores highlights the seamless cooperation between the Indian Army, Assam Rifles and other law enforcement agencies, demonstrating their commitment to ensuring the security and safety of the region. With such operation, the security forces remain committed in their efforts to maintain peace and stability in the area.